Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
In this video, I will explain how to replace a headlight bulb. First, gather your tools, including a flathead screwdriver and the correct replacement bulbs. Always ensure your vehicle is completely off and the parking brake is firmly engaged for safety. It is also wise to wear protective gloves. This prevents oils from your skin from transferring to the new bulb's glass, which can shorten its lifespan. We will cover the entire process step by step. Now, let's access the headlight assembly. You will typically find two retaining pins located at the top of the headlight unit. Using a flathead screwdriver, or sometimes just your fingers, pull these pins straight up and out. Once both pins are removed, gently pull the entire headlight assembly straight forward. It might feel a little snug, but it should slide out without excessive force, revealing the bulb sockets behind it. With the headlight assembly out, you can now replace the bulb. Locate the specific bulb you need to replace, usually the larger one for the main beam. Twist the bulb socket about 1/4 turn counterclockwise to unlock it from the housing. Gently pull the old bulb straight out. Take your new bulb, holding it by its base, and firmly push it into the socket. Remember, do not touch the glass part of the new bulb. Finally, let's put everything back together and test it. First, reinsert the bulb socket into the headlight housing and twist it clockwise until it locks securely. Then, carefully slide the entire headlight assembly back into its mounting position. Push the two retaining pins back down through their holes until they are fully seated, securing the assembly. Turn on your vehicle and test both the low and high beams to ensure your new bulb is functioning perfectly.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.